No ATVs or snowmobiles. Oh, it doesn't say vans, so we're good. Due to trespassing and garbage issues, this road will only be accessible to landowners that use this to access their properties beyond this point. A gate will be constructed prior to the date above. That's where I spent the night, just tucked in on that trail there. It was a nice quiet spot. Pin drop quiet. It was actually eerie how quiet it was. Didn't even hear birds chirping, no wind at all. Just pin drop quiet. And I wasn't going to mention this, but I heard something breathing. I'm not sure what it was. I did not expect to see a dump truck come through here. Yeah, that was interesting. Way to start the morning. Having a better day than that guy is. I would be not happy if I drove a truck down that trail and it wasn't the right spot. He came back through and he gave me the throwing his hands up. So, wasn't the right spot. So I guess I'll try and drag the van down the rest of this fire out here. Seems pretty doable. Set up the tripod here. That was fun. A little bit worried about the oil pan on this rock here. Looks like it's had a few scrapes. Just put a tire on it to get a little bit more height. And all was good. Hopefully that guy in the truck made out. Just like every other trail, this is where it pretty much becomes too thin. Seems like all these trails thin out and become quad trails. They start out big enough that you can fit the van down them, and they taper down really quick. Not a lot of people doing 4x4 off-roading in trucks and vans and cars, I guess, around here. And Jeeps. Which makes sense. It's a lot nicer to beat up a quad or an ATV than your daily driver. I'm just having some raspberries here. Hopefully the guy in the dump truck has figured out where he's going by now. I let him know things got really tight up a little farther and it probably wasn't worth going down. But he gave me the old classic, well, that's where they're sending me in, so. Or they're sending me in there, so. Alright, well I made the mistake of not filling up before I hit the woods, so we'll go take care of that, and then we'll keep going on the road to Loom Lake. Between the front end, the rear end, and then the build out. It's quite a symphony of noise. I'm just waiting for someone on a quad to just come flying up a hill, just out of nowhere. That's why a loud exhaust on those is actually safer. Oh, I'm still in two-wheel. We're going downhill, we're good. Keep your music low and your ears open on these trails. Alright, so this is the fork in the road. I guess that's a pass-only ATV trail. And then that is someone's property, I'm guessing by the green number there. And that's where he thought maybe potentially he was going. He said he even had a key for a gate. There's a gate down there. He said he was looking for 100. Actually, I probably shouldn't say exactly where. Probably doesn't matter. But yeah, funny that they would send him down a fire access road with a dump truck. But I looked on Google Maps. Okay, putting the window up. Skidders are just terrible. I looked on Google Maps, and this is apparently off of Flaherty Drive, not. Oh, we gotta take care of this bastard. Where is he? Oh man, he's a fighter. I gotta clean my dash. Wow. Oh, he's stuck. He got himself stuck. Alright, he took care of himself. Yeah, I've got to get some food into me. That's what I gotta do. I barely think. Yeah, it's not a bad little trail actually. It's unfortunate there's signs all at the front that say next month this is all gonna be gated up due to trespassing, I guess. Which all I ever seen was no hunting signs. I didn't cross any no trespassing signs and I still had a good time. Could you imagine? And there's a Peterbilt right there and I've got to back up that whole entire trail. That'd be insane. Because a smaller vehicle has to back up, that's the rule. But yeah, like I was saying, this whole area is going to be gated up. That's kind of crazy. It's pretty remote out here. You wouldn't think they'd have a problem, but I guess they do. So that's where I spent the night, just tucked in on that trail there. It was a nice quiet spot. Pin drop quiet. It was actually eerie how quiet it was. Nice green bog. Oh, that looks cool on camera. Yeah, like I say, it was incredibly quiet. Like, didn't even hear birds chirping, no wind at all. Just pin drop quiet. And I wasn't gonna mention this, but I heard something breathing. I'm not sure what it was, but it almost sounded like it was like just inhaling, like, I don't know. It was like smelling maybe the van or something, I don't know. Hopefully it wasn't big old timber wolf or something, I don't know. But I had the roof vent open and I could hear it. It was definitely close, whatever it was. Could have been a moose maybe. Moose having a smell on the van. A little bit of washout going on up here. But yeah, like I say, it's a little bit spooky in the woods when it's completely pitch black and you're under the cover of the trees, so you've got no moonlight. It's actually pitch black around you. It's like you could be at the bottom of the ocean for all you know. Like you're staring into the abyss, but nice and peaceful. And it was actually chilly this morning. I actually woke up, dude, because I was cold. Temperature was like 12 degrees or so in the van. Almost had to fire up the diesel heater. I don't have the exhaust hanging down low because I thought I was going to get in some heavy off-road and potentially rip it off, so I've got it all tucked up. But the way things are going here, I might have to grab a bolt somewhere or find something, a metal piece of wire, reattach it. So let's see, what's this posted sign here? So that's gated off, no hunting, no trespassing, no hunting. Some type of building permit, order to comply. Uh-oh, someone's in trouble here. 2018. Trailer with deck. Maybe that's what they're talking about that I seen back there that I rolled up on. Someone just set that all up there, and the township coming by and it's like, hey, nice building you got here, but you're gonna have to do something about that. Pay us some monies. Got the ratchet strap holding the gate up here. Oh yeah, she's been scraping. Looks like someone's been here half decently recently. Oh, no sign of the dump truck. Guess we'll carry on. Yeah, so they've got all kinds of signs when you first enter here. No, wow, okay, yeah. Like I say, next month, no ATVs or snowmobiles. Oh, it doesn't say vans, so we're good. Due to trespassing and garbage issues, this road will only be accessible to landowners that use this to access their properties. Beyond this point, a gate will be constructed prior to the date above. Wow. One key will be provided to you. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so there you go. That's what everyone's talking about. It's the hot topic now. Don't litter when you're on crown land, when you're on public lands. Don't litter. I've got all my garbage with me, and I didn't see any around here. Obviously, they cleaned it up, but yeah, that's unfortunate. Just means you need to have a 4x4 converted vehicle to get even farther out. That's the way things are going. All the easy to access stuff's getting closed off because ding dongs.